When you have food allergies, ordering takeout isn't easy. And right now, with many of our favorite restaurants either closed or offering a limited menu, we're cooking at home a lot more. Before the pandemic, I shared some tips with Danielle Watson-Murray on some easy at-home solutions that are fit for her diet and her family. This is On Your Plate. Hey Danielle.
Hey Jillian.
Welcome to the Giant Kitchen. This is my colleague Kristen. She's one of the nutritionists at Giant. We've heard you have a pretty busy family life. Tell us, what's on your plate?
I am a happy mother of one son. He is 11, and it is very busy being a working mom.
And we know there's some dietary restrictions in the house.
I was just diagnosed with non-celiac gluten sensitivity, so I can't have any gluten, no dairy. I'm actually allergic to nuts.
Having people in the household with food allergies and trying to get everybody on the same page can be very challenging. We're gonna be making these chicken tinga tacos. They're a perfect weeknight solution. This recipe checks off all the boxes. These corn tortillas are naturally gluten-free and they're a whole grain. This chicken is a lean source of protein. And then of course we have an array of fresh vegetables.
So do you typically have to, make separate meals for yourself?
Yes, unfortunately. Normally what happens is I have a whole different cart. Anything you eat during any of the 3 meals usually has gluten or nuts or dairy. But this is definitely a great go-to meal for us.
Next, I'm gonna start chopping 3 cloves of garlic. It's important to get everything nice and finely diced. You don't want a big mouthful of garlic. So I'll just set this off to the side. And then lastly, just a little bit of fresh cilantro. As I often tell people, when you're getting more color, you're getting in more nutrients.
All right, let's get cooking.
Okay, we have our meat filling here. All we had to do was just shred it and then put it right back in the pan. Let it cook for a little more. The sauce is nice and thick and super flavorful.
And remember, we're using chicken today, but you can use fish, shrimp. Mushrooms have a really great source of protein as well.
And then lastly, we're just gonna garnish with those chopped onions and that cilantro and then just some fresh lime. Hi guys.
Well, right on time when the food's all done.
You know us.
Thank you so much.
That looks amazing.
What you think?
Cheers.
Living with a food allergy or dietary restrictions, here are a few little things that can make a giant impact. When in doubt, read the nutrition facts label to spot ingredients you should avoid. Develop good kitchen habits to avoid cross-contamination. Identify foods and recipes everyone can enjoy that are allergen-free.
These are amazing.
I'm glad you like it.
Danielle, thank you for joining us today. And thank you all for joining us. This is On Your Plate. We will see you next time.